farmers can store their fresh produce near their field? Can you provide some ideas?
By using refrigeration.
Okay. Can we do it in DT way? Shall we start?
For empathizing part, imagine a group of farmers who has cultivated tomatoes, brinjals and green leaves. Where he have to sell it to a market. If he stores it in open place, it gets decayed more fastly. For that, we are going to create a cooling chamber, which basically keeps the tomatoes and vegetables for a longer time. Helps the farmers to sell it efficiently in marketplace compared with the normal way. In which we can enhance the storage.
After the listening of the farmers and clearly define what they coming to tell about, there are some problems like they want to produce that cooling chambers with the farmer friendly and low cost, and so they are used in every villages. Within that has electricity or irregular electricity they are using commonly usually in every villages. So the farmers not had that much technical skill to use that cooling chambers. So they want a basic level of the chambers to use it. Next. It want the product was available in a local market and within the mini size of refrigerators. So it is a problem the farmers are facing.
The ideation stage, we ask ourselves that what kind of natural resources that we can use to help for that cooling. And first, several things that come to my thoughts are like mud pots, clay houses, and some traditional methods. This gives us an idea about zero energy cooling chamber, which was a structural storage design we can use for preserve some fruits and vegetables. This structure is basically made up of bricks, bamboo mats, gunny cloths, which are locally available, which can be easily affordable for local farmers. The basic science behind the zero energy cooling chamber is evaporative cooling. Then the wet soil which can evaporate cool air, which can absorb the heat from surroundings, which it can keep the cooling chamber up to 15 to 10 degrees Celsius low as compared to the surrounding environment. Zero energy cooling chamber is not only eco-friendly but is also affordable for local farmers. Local farmers can build it in their own yards. By this idea, we are ready to build our prototype.
Next stage is prototype demonstration. We built the zero energy cooling chamber step by step. We first selected a shady place. Next we laid 2 layers of bricks and left a small between. The gap was filled with sand. We kept the moisture with water. Then we built the walls by adding more bricks layer to layer. After the walls were ready, we poured water into the sand so that it always straight. On the top, we placed with gunny or bamboo mat. Inside the chamber, we kept the baskets of vegetables such as tomato, brinjal, and greeny leaves.
As for the last stage, that is the testing stage, we introduce the vegetables to the cooling chamber. First the vegetables are separated and some of them are introduced to the put inside the chamber and some of them are kept in the outside. First the vegetables that are put inside have shelf life that is up to 2 to 3 days, but the vegetables in outside are rotten less than a day. So by doing this method, we can extend the shelf life, which gives the farmers to time for them to sell the vegetables, and we can further implement IoT and sensors to this method in futures.
Okay, this is a great initiative by my students. So who we are? We are agriculture engineers, right? It is our responsibility to bring solution to farmers. Thank you.